bud.
No, I did not.
Alright, this is Vanguard, Locals, Mountain.
What is what?
We have Adam playing Great Nature, and I'm Jonah, and I'm playing Dimension of Peace.
Let's see.
Alright.
Yeah, at this point in time,
Yes, hello. Camera. Thank you.
No, 8 problems this year.
Alright, let's roll this big old D20. That's 15. That's a 1.
That's how you win.
you know how I feel about like going for
You win by not triggering scrub.
From quiet.
You should have done redraws first.
Whatever, 2 back to dick. This is top 2. This is a wicked song to be playing against.
Why do you do this? Why do you do this to me?
And this is my new mat, ladies and gentlemen. No high school to deck titty mat anymore. It's a kill titty mat.
Just as good.
With a Vanguard circle in the middle and deck sweeps on the side.
That's actually pretty sweet.
And a Vanguard symbol on the side. Well, I designed it. So.
Well, technically, I see 4 circles, but I mean, what?
So do I, but the rear guards don't go like that.
I'm sure you can figure it out.
I wanted that embossed. Just a tits.
Yeah.
Just an embossed tit mat.
Just
It's like a
like,
mouse pad where you can whisk your hand. Oh, yeah.
can you emboss
I
that
have one. That's what I
material?
use for everything.
Did you see they created a pencil sharpener where it's a women's, it's an anime chick's bum, and you put the pencil in and it sharpens the pencil.
They have those as like mouse pads. There's
How's
one.
Dolphin Van Gogh?
There's one from like this basketball anime, and my friend is like,
Kuroko no Basket,
Yeah.
or whatever it's called.
and the red-haired guy, and it's just like him turned around looking like that, and like
ahead.
the cushion, like the gel armrest is like his ass.
Last one, and
I just sent it to my
the
friend. I was
last one,
like,
and
you'd
if
probably
attack hits
enjoy
with a dagger,
this.
that's when I could draw a card.
And then she reshared it to like 10 other friends or something.
It'd be different.
10 for 31. So left 3 for owner effect. The last one is period total.
Why do you do this to me?
1 each soul.
Are you guys in the fights?
Also last 3 and draw 1 card.
No guard, sir. I draw. Alright. Oh, that feels really good.
Oh shit.
This one.
Ugh, it touched me. Stop it.
And back.
I'm being bullied.
This is 32.
14.
And then this one is
Power Sand.
22.
15. Go ahead.
Metabee's in the damage zone.
I know, I'm so pissed.
Why is it that big of a deal?
It's Metav, bro. He's clearly the lackest Metabot in the whole damn anime.
True story.
I used to watch it all the time.
Oh man, why would you make me laugh? Well, I'm holding a phone and trying to be stable.
Oh, it's wicked. Wow, that's a little intense. Yeah, push. And draw. Yeah. I'm feeling you don't have a great three.
I'm trying to like not get glare. There you go.
16.
16, eh? Well, I'm gonna go.
I figured. 16.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
18 mark. It's my rear guard?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, so
Nope.
Yep.
Mini break.
I thought that was going to be 21 to 16.
2 very disgusting decks, by the way.
Yeah.
You just love it.
No.
What did you draw straight again? I forget.
Tank. Thank you. Must you. And then I draw a card from this guy.
Oh! Oh no, all that bitching needed.
I'm gonna counterblast, and I'm gonna activate.
Gross.
Yeah, I'm gonna activate Dive Skill, Soul Blasting him, and then this attack hits against him.
He's gonna be what now?
21.
don't know what this is. I know I'm gonna have my deck does nothing with everything. Anyway, 16 day.
See you later, Pat. Oh, okay.
And like you planned shit last week. And before that, stop talking to
Yeah, they
You do not talk to me. If I bother you so much, why don't you just break up?
Was it 2020s?
You want to spend time with me by watching movies and then going to bed? Yeah, because you don't make time for me on your days off.
17. 17, eh?
Yeah, and
Is
you
that
want to
10K
spend them
or-
with your friends instead of spending them with your girlfriend.
Drop.
We haven't had a date in, I don't know, how much time.
Both men.
For her 1 year anniversary, we had supper with your parents. I love your parents. I love your parents. Why on her 1 year anniversary?
He doesn't have any other effect right now, eh?
Why couldn't
Except
we
for
just
he
sit in your room
boosts
and
the guy
eat
he
together? Yeah. Well, we could have eaten together. Alone together. Because it wasn't you and I and your parents. You and I's anniversary.
Our here and I heal.
They would have 1 year anniversary. They would have run good.
I know.
Recording.
15
I really just blocked in anger. Jesus. Go ahead.
Oh.
4 times 6, that's
16.
32.
That's fine.
20
Like,
something.
you're saying odd numbers, I'll just take your word for it, it's fine.
Center, I got power to. So that's going to be how much? 17?
11K without anything. It's okay to block it on the
Alright.
Holding it at an angle so there's no glare is like the most uncomfortable thing of life.
It's going to be 21 Vanguard, so last 3, drawing 2,
to be fair. There's like,
21 in soul.
yeah, needles are not the cycles.
I need to like stop being really bad at this game there. This is 17, this is 18.
11 to rigor.
And then this is going to be
Actually, 11 to disregard.
18 binoculars. People are going to want to kill your binoculars.
For a second, I thought Adam was at 1 damage.
Oh no,
I was like, what is going on?
He's definitely not at 1 damage. This is actually relatively okay.
There we go. Popped my neck. That's okay.
16 people.
I like it too. It's a nice buy, to be honest. It was on sale.
I'm going to give. Well, just you should wait for the power. Oh, it's now.
I had to go shop for like the OJT.
Because I would have probably given it there. If I didn't know what the damage is, right? So now that you're both technically
my work
dead.
term.
Oh, it was OTT.
No, my OJT on the job training.
15.
Do you happen to know what? Yeah. I don't know, dude.
15.
I got a couple cards.
Not to sound rude, I was just.
No, you're right. Because of the fact that it was
Don't
on
rush because you have to wait, right? Because I was going to give the power here,
No,
but.
there's only like one trigger
Yeah.
saving at this point.
Regret. Boom.
Ooh, grossy.
I actually think Leopold reverse is awesome.
I love it.
He's just really gross.
Yeah, I'll move.
Goes to go against it.
Can I see the picture?
Can you see the picture of it? You can look at the damage one.
Oh, you don't play that is the drop.
Chat Noir looks better, don't get me wrong. Chat Noir is just a pretty cat.
I don't know, man. Like, Chanois looks cool and all, but Leopold is just kind of...
So you're playing your reverse deck?
No, that's
Yeah.
like.
He'll rip your face off.
Like he's not.
Would have been Chaos Brigade, would have been like, what's a game?
Aren't you supposed to be wearing red?
if you're playing reverse.
Oh, I don't have a red marker to draw on my face. So. When he attacks, I give both the effects to him, so they'll break right in his. Okay.
Don't be afraid. He would do it.
So 21.
Like don't. You have to believe it. He would draw on his face. Like you have to give the man props.
Don't
doubt
Jonah.
that he would.
Yeah, don't doubt. He would.
Okay. Crit fire. When he attacks, he does forfeit to himself, which will make him 31, so 36 with a crit.
Be aware, all those blue beads are worth 4K.
Really? I have exactly 36 in hand, no guard. Yeah, okay. First one. And then I would have drew 2.
It's gross. It's game 1.
And this is game 2. Did you pause it or click stop?
Pause.
Pause? Stop this video. I want you to do another one.